Hey everyone, my name is Safi, and today we're going to read our book on a book called Ugly Animals. On the ground, in the air, in the water, there are ugly animals everywhere. These animals might not be pretty, but their strange body helps them live on Earth. Let's find out how. You can find lots of weird-looking creatures. Try looking down near the ground. The praying mantis gets its name from its front legs. They look bent in prayer. Yet those legs are used to hunt. Tiny spikes hook on to prey so it can get away. Is it a pig? Is it an elephant? No, it's a tapir. A tapir's trunk grabs leaves and fruits to eat. It makes a great snorkel in the water too. You can find this creature on the ground, but not for long. A jumping spider spots prey with its 8 eyes. Then it jumps on its meal. On the short-horned lizard's spine, warn predator to back off. If that doesn't work, it shoots blood from its eye. The predator is surprised, and the lizard can get away. Some animals spend their lives underground. Their bodies are built for digging in darkness. The naked mole rat won't win any beauty contest, but its big teeth help it dig tunnels and find food. Underground, it doesn't need hair to protect it from the sun. The few hairs it has act like whispers. They feel things in the dark. Why are naked mole rats so wrinkled? They take too long to iron. The nose on the star-nosed mole looks like something from outer space, but this nose is a big hole on Earth. The 22 tentacles can feel prey in a flash. Believe it or not, Scion is not a snake. It is an amphibian that does not have legs. Its thick, pointed head helps it make tunnel underground. When searching for strange-looking animal, don't forget to look up. The ugliest part of a king vulture is its head. A vulture sticks its head into the dead animal it eats without feathers on its head. This bird stays clean. The calago glides through the air. It stretches skin and acts like a sail high in the trees. The calago eats leaf and stays safe from predators. You can tell how the leaf nose bat got its name. Scientists think its special nose may be used for echolocation. Why do calagos have fur coats? Because they look silly wearing jackets. In the water, there are lots of odd-looking creatures in the water. The deeper you go, the stranger they get. Near the surface, a male elephant seal got a nose that is big and ugly. The size and shape of its nose change the sound of its roar. Some scientists think this sound tells other males to stay away. In the water, mud skippers swim like other fish out of the water and walks on land. A strong front fins work like legs to carry its body. A viper moray long Then body helps it hide between the rocks. Prey swim by, then chomp. The moray grabs it and hides again. How do blobfish call their friends? On shell phones. Deep in the ocean there is little food. Some creatures have strange bodies that help them live there. The anglerfish dangles a light from its head that looks like food. Prey comes closer, then the anglerfish eats it. A hagfish makes its own slime lots of it. Predators choke on it, then they go off the hagfish in order to breathe. The blobfish looks like its name. Its gooey body helps it float above the seafloor. It eats animals that float too. Many interesting animals make their home in the trees. Do you know that? The eye has big eyes and ears. At night they help the animals see and hear in the forest. The eye's long middle finger helps it eat. The finger works like a spoon to scoop out fruit and egg. It grabs bugs from the tree for a tasty snack. Yum. A male Polish monkey's huge nose acts like a microphone. It makes the monkey's call sound louder. This kind of leaf-tailed gecko has red eyes, tiny horns, and speckled skin. All of these things help the gecko blend into the forest where it lives. This keeps it safe from predators. The water bear lives in water. It can live in very cold and very hot temperatures. Scientists have found that it could even survive in outer space. Now you know that ugly animals can walk, swim, and fly all over the earth and even beyond. And that's it on ugly animals, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and I'll see you